Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three top performing cryptocurrencies, which are Vechain, EOS and Tezos. We will be reviewing our predictions made in our previous video, and let's see what it will happen over the next weeks based on our technical point of view. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis and price predictions for free. Also like our videos and leave a comment. What we see here, it's a huge increase in terms of volumes after a period of reduced volatility with the price moving horizontally and with a fake breakout downwards. We have experienced a huge increase in volumes in association with the long white candle. What is happening right now is that we have a series of three long black candle and doji inside a very tight rectangle between 0.015 and 0.02. But the most significant, the most important indicator for us is this huge increase in volumes. In fact, if we compare this volume with the previous ones, we see that we have experienced a huge increase in terms of volumes, which means a point of control. So at the break of the horizontal resistance around 0.0108, we have experienced a breakout. So where we should be, or where we could see Vechain over the next weeks, once we will be breaking 0.02, and that will happen after the retrace will be over, we'll project Vechain hitting as a next target this area between 0.05 and 0.06. So actually we are really bullish on Vechain. We can confirm our prediction made in our previous video, where we have been stating that we are strongly bullish on Vechain, but we should be expecting a retrace over the next weeks, which actually it is happening right now. Now let's move on and let's analyze EOS. EOS has a weaker chart if compared with Vechain. Actually is the weakest out of the three that we are going to analyze. As you can see here, while Vechain has been enveloped inside the period of reduced volatility where the price has been moving horizontally, EOS has been marking a different oscillation. Actually we have experienced this year of lower highs and actually lower lows, but right now we're inside the descending triangle, which can be detected by linking this reversal pinball, the high of the reversal pinball, with this point of high. Actually, and in terms of base, we can project the base by linking this point of lows. The most important thing that give us a bullish idea about EOS is that here we haven't broken below the important threshold around 1.50 US dollar. Now, in terms of volumes, here we are still lacking volumes. That's why we don't believe we are going to experience a strong bull run up over the next weeks. So what we need is a huge increase in terms of volumes, something that we have seen here for Vechain. Okay, so we need bulls, we need buyers entering in the trading arena in order to push the price higher. In terms of next target, definitely 5 US dollars seems to be a very realistic target from where we should be expecting a retrace. As you can see here, the 5 US dollar threshold has been tested several times, and from here EOS has been rejected many times. So we need a very strong increase in terms of volumes in order to push the price to the next level, which is between 8.8 US dollar and 10 US dollar, which is a round number. Again, before hitting the 10 US dollar threshold, we expect a movement till 5 US dollar. From there, EOS should be rejected. Right now, we are inside the period of retrace between 2.8 US dollar and 3.8 US dollar, which is actually a very tight range for a cryptocurrency. Now let's move on and let's analyze Tezos. Tezos, as you can see here, this one is a weekly chart as well. It's a much better chart if compared with Vechain. Here we can find some similitude with Vechain, where actually we've experienced this prolonged period of horizontal prices, and here actually with a much bigger oscillation we are still in this period of horizontal prices. As you can see here, we've been moving between this area, but actually the very strong horizontal support is here around 1.30 US dollar and 4 US dollar. Yet as well, like for Vechain, we've experienced a huge increase in terms of volumes, which can give us a very realistic projection for Tezos to hit the next threshold around $6. So $6 is definitely a very realistic target where we see Tezos over the next weeks. Actually, after hitting the $6, we do believe we're going to experience again a retrace. But as you can see here, in terms of volumes, we've experienced something really new, because if we compare these volumes with the volumes that we see here, we have a huge increase in terms of volumes. In other words, traders are now trading Tezos, traders are now buying Tezos, and so these two long black candles that are inside this long white candle should not be so much worrisome for us in terms of price action. Again, in terms of price action, next target definitely $6. Thank you, guys.